Good morning from DreamNest Lagoon. The birds are still stretching their wings. The sun is soft and the world feels calm. Before they chirp too loud, it's time to start their day. Clean, fresh, and full of love. Every morning begins with a little cleanup. Old seeds, feathers, and dust gone. Fresh water in their bowls, clean perches, and a quick sweep of the floor. A tidy space is the first step to a healthy, happy aviary. Now it's breakfast time. A mix of seeds, greens, and a little treat, prepared with care. The birds already know. Their excitement is in their song, in the way they flutter near. As I place the food, one by one they gather. Java finches, zebra finches, quails, each with their own rhythm, their own way. Some eat quickly, some just look around, but all of them feel safe, and that's the joy. This is what mornings at DreamNest Lagoon look like. Simple routines, peaceful moments, and the soft music of life in feathered form. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you in the next sunrise.